I have been busy. I'm currently cruising through the Caribbean, visiting loads of cool spots. Working as a video producer on board a cruise ship gives me the opportunity to wake up in a different country every single day. And today, I'm on the island of Roatan, Honduras.
What's that say on the bus there?
Gumbalimba.
Are you sure it's not Gumbalina?
Although it's kind of hard to pronounce, Gumbalimba Park is full of beautiful lush gardens, butterflies and lizards. It's got a fascinating Jumunji-type feel. But the highlight really are the monkeys, those cheeky little buggers. Woo! They're heavy. A little difficult right now.
Are you okay?
Be careful, remember you.
Okay.
They're quite heavy actually. I've been a little bit quiet over the last couple of months, I know, but the videos are going to start coming out. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Stay tuned, make sure you keep watching. Some exciting things are coming your way. Zip liner above me. Yeah, start again. Woo.